What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Recently, I visited the Honor store to check out their upcoming smartphone, the Honor x8b. You can actually pre-order this now at your nearest Honor physical store, and you will get a free Bluetooth earbuds that usually cost 1,499 pesos if you get this or buy this individually. And also a big thanks to the staff of the Honor store in SM North EDSA for allowing me to make this video. As you may know, Honor was part of Huawei subsidiary company for several years before parting ways in 2020. So this new phone that they will release next week packs impressive specifications for an entry-level smartphone, such as the Snapdragon 680, an AMOLED display, a 108 megapixels back camera, a whopping 50 megapixels front camera, plus a 512 gigabyte of storage and a 8 gigabyte of RAM with a decent 4500 milliamp battery. We also have three color options, which is the Glamour Green, inspired by the design of Huawei Nova 11 Pro, Titanium Silver, and Midnight Black. When I first saw this smartphone, I told to myself I must have it for review. So on the launch date, which is on 21st of February 2024, I will be buying this for review. And yes guys, you heard that right. My tech review is not sponsored by any smartphone company, so watching my video from start to finish and by subscribing will really help a lot. There is no doubt that browsing with this smartphone is a breeze because the display has 90Hz refresh rate, which is decent enough. I know we're not gonna get the 120Hz, but 90Hz is good enough for an entry-level smartphone anyway. Now, you can choose between dynamic refresh up to 90Hz or fix it to 90Hz itself, or you could go standard with a 60Hz refresh rate. Now, let's just briefly talk about the camera functions. We have aperture mode, night mode, portrait mode, and the photo modes, where you can toggle between 0.6x, a 1x, or a 2 times zoom. Similarly with video, you can also adjust the beautification mode. We also have more options like Pro mode, slow-mo, super macro, HDR photo, etc. Now, in Pro mode, you have your usual options like ISO, shutter speed, manual focus, and white balance. Here's the full specifications courtesy of GSM Arena. The vegan leather design gives it a premium feel. Just take a moment to admire its sleek and sophisticated design.
We're soaring on top of the world, flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.